Hi, boys and girls. I'm here to share a story with you today. This story is called Mouse Count, and the author of this book is Ellen Stoll Walsh. We've been doing a lot of counting this week, and we're going to keep doing some more counting, so I thought this would be a fun book to read. One fine day, some mice played in the meadow. They were careful to watch for snakes. But when the mice got sleepy, they forgot about snakes, and they all took naps. They're all falling asleep over here. While they slept, a hungry snake went looking for dinner. On his way, he found a nice big jar. "I will fill this jar with dinner," he said. It wasn't long before he found 3 mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep. "First I will count them, and then I will eat them up," said the snake. Mouse count. 1, 2, 3. He dropped them into the jar, but he was very hungry. 3 mice were not enough. Soon he found 4 more mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep. And he counted them. 4, 5, 6. 7. But the snake was very, very hungry, and 7 mice were not enough. At last he found 3 more mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep. And he counted them. We're going to count on from 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mice are enough. Now I am going to eat you up, little, warm, and tasty, said the snake. "Wait," said one of the mice. "The jar isn't full yet, and look at the big mouse over there." The snake was very greedy. He hurried off to get the big mouse. And while he was gone, the mice rocked the jar one way and another way, until over it went. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The little mice uncounted themselves and ran home. The snake reached the big mouse, but it was only a cold, hard rock. And when he got back, the jar was empty. Look at this mouse. He's excited. He got loose. And that's the end. Thanks for reading with me, friends.